Hey guys, today we're testing out Maddie Ray's Slime Instant Snow. I'm going to make this amazing cloud slime for you guys. I highly recommend this recipe. You guys are going to love it, especially if you like that slow drizzle. So let's just jump right into the video and get started. So I'm starting with this pink bowl. I'm adding my glue to my bowl. I did way more than a cup. I didn't mean to do more than a cup, but I'm going to give you measurements as if you are using a cup of glue. So start with a school glue, not glue all. Then you want to color it. I'm going to use this teal. I don't think I've tried the Maddie Ray's dye teal color before. So let's check that out and see if we like the end result. I'm mixing this up. I'm still going to go ahead and add some water. I normally do that in the beginning. I know a bunch of you are going to comment, why didn't you add the water right away? But I usually do 1 cup of water, 1 cup of glue. So you want to do pretty much equal parts of water and glue. You can do a little less water, but I like to keep it pretty close to equal amounts. And the amount of water that I actually put in here was about 8 ounces. So that would equal about a cup. But I did use a diluted activator. So what you want to do is use 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of water. But because I didn't add a lot of water in the beginning, I just went with half a teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of water. You want to slowly add that to your slime mixture until it comes together, and it will kind of feel and look similar to a little bit of a jiggly slime. So if you're feeling like it's jiggly, then you guys are doing it right. So just keep at it. Making cloud slime is a lengthy process. From start to finish, this slime probably took me about 20 minutes. I know this video is actually only just under 5 minutes, but I cut it down a lot of the mixing quite a bit. So starting off with this container, I really like how they packaged their snow in this little container. It's easy to scoop out and add to your slimes. I'm doing 2 tablespoons. For 1 cup of glue or 1 cup of glue mixture, I would do 2 tablespoons to start out. I wouldn't do more. So you start with the 2 tablespoons. You could even start with just 1 tablespoon and slowly add more as you're mixing the slime. When you start out with the 2 tablespoons right from the beginning, you're going to see how tough it is, and not tough to mix, but just the feeling of the slime is just kind of tough and not stretchy. So don't be alarmed. That's exactly how it's supposed to be. If you like, at this point, you can just let the slime rest and come back to it in about 5 to 10 minutes, or you could just keep kneading it. I usually just keep kneading it, and it feels like it's going to get nowhere. It feels like it's just going to continue to be a stiff slime forever and ever and ever, but trust me, it will soften up, I promise you. So just keep at it, keep stretching it just like this. Be patient. You can poke it. It's completely normal to have fallout while you're making your cloud slime. If you continue to have too much fallout after your slime has completely formed into a cloud slime, you can add a pump or 2 of lotion. You can try a little drop of glycerin. You could even try a squirt of baby oil. You could even do a little bit of water. All of those things tend to help with fallout. A really good drizzly cloud slime usually and typically has a little bit of fallout, but it shouldn't have much. So as you can see here, the slime is finished. It has an amazing drizzle. I'm in love. If you guys like this recipe, if you tried it out, remember hashtag Rainbow Playmaker showed me the way for an opportunity to be featured on my Instagram account. And let me know in the comments what other slime tutorials you would like to see on my channel. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next slime video.